Andrew go give the lady donkey where she asks for. You, Damian Crawford, you talk off your mouth. Because you know say in a every consequence, if 10 people today, and even 1 or 2 of them are PNP. I don't know no lie me I tell. Why you never go in at that era, that consequence, and go give one PNP one donkey too? Talk to me. Why you never do it? Why you never do it? So, you see, before we go over to ISAT, before me go over to ISAT, because I not talk long for my life this time. Big up Chilani people, South Chilani. Young people, why first time go cast a vote, or a second time go cast a vote, or a third time go cast a vote, who don't have a passport, but them run him and him no have no shame. Thank you very much. And that's why I say them call him goat man. Just say me. Yeah man. Because Portland people have sense. So right now me I ask Portland, Chilani, the whole Jamaica youth. Because you know Christmas a come. He say if you go buy 2 clocks by 1, get your passport, your TRN, your NIS. And please keep your fingerprint clean. This way me I say because this is our time. Uno time, free time. Because MP, councillor, prime minister, then go come and ask you what you want. You understand me? So a labor right. If you get a farmer card, very important. And for South Chilani, remember the 2 art school in Southern Chilani that Mama D put there. Please get on yourself. Get on yourself certified. You understand me? Please. Because only we Chilani people can hungry unless they're lazy. You understand me? I tell you. Only way. So, if you don't know, Mama D office, from the day Mama D come to South Chilani, 2007, Mama D office, the writer G read, move. You understand me? Yes, or anything you want towards help, if you don't get the same time you put on your name, you're going to get called. Show a labor right. You're going to get called. Join the live, please. Share the live, please. I saw out this stay. Your name going to write down if you don't get the same time, and you're going to get called. Yes. You see me? Alright. Abs and Sayers, big up on yourself. Big up Abs and Sayers. You see from, you come from Chilani or from Manchester. If I walk, you walk, and I drive, you drive. You can't see motor house the labor right give way. Me I tell you. Me I tell you. And it's not a one room. It's not a one room. You have your own bathroom inside. You understand me? Those are the things. So I'm going back to Portland. Portland people, you don't get fooled, You don't get fooled, man. Because if me tell you certain things, if me tell you certain things, some man don't go vex, but I truth. You know, she say Isaac left left her life. You know, she say cartel, she say bro God have a country in a good hand. You know, see? Yeah, thank God if you Rasta. Cartel not support them people, the brother. No, cartel not support Isaac. Isaac. And me can be honest too, no. Remember say, you can't show before cartel go prison. Before cartel go prison. You can't show cartel power platform with PNP. Yes. He grew up in a Waterford, yes. PNP channel when he vote in PNP. If he vote. But you never see vice cartel on a platform with PNP. And cartel is a virgin with smart. May I tell you, in smart and in iceberg things. Show a labor right, tap up his screen, please. Join the live and share your live. Join the live and share your live, please. You get me? Cartel is a smart youth, you know. May I tell you? Alright. Remember say, you as the lawyer, you say you bring him out to freedom. Which I know you do it, you know. L.A. Lewis. But you don't want to get L.A. Lewis in props. L.A. Lewis do it, man. Anyway, I don't really go forward on this, but I just give you a little thing to show you how you cannot trust ISAT and the PNP them. No. Alright, the man just come. You have a man for your life. First ask my question if he made a run be an MPR. He say yes and represent the St. Catherine Waterford. The man answer, you know. Then tap up your live, please. Join the live. Show if I lie me a tell, man, you know, say I lie you a tell. And I'm watching the live. What do you think Isaac do now? Isaac do. Oh, to cartel, I'm going to show you a picture or something, so if you know this person. Oh, Isaac show cartel. Now Andrew Wellness one time him a buy the peanut in a stadium. Cartel say, oh, me don't know him. Remember say, man just come from jail, you know. Don't know nothing about the street. No know say young people them a say, bro God. You see what me I say? He don't know the young people them a say, bro God. So just find out. You get me? He just find out. So enjoy way. Because guess what? Isaac the deal with the man like say, him man no pay me money. You see me I say? Him the fish that called himself Boom Rush. Them again. You see me I say? No pay them no mind, man. Then soon catch by bait. No pay them no mind. Here, Olive, no pay them no mind. So I hit me and say, show a labor right. You see me? So when time him gone a Portland and go say him come for uplift Portland. If was them uplift here already? If was them uplift here already? Somebody talk to me now, man. Join the live, please. Join the live, please. Join the live, please. You get me? You see me? Yeah. And look. The worst part of Portland conference. Oh God Almighty. Now Marky G. Anybody here with Marky G say? Up at Portland. Please join the live, please. Join the live, share the live, please. Please join the live and share the live, please. Text me. Me still alive? Yeah. Give me a yes, please. You hook me up for guests. Me can hook me up for guests too. Anything unlock. Check requests. With this future, you can invite viewers to join your live as guests. Check out your request to see how you can unlock this future. Yeah, let me see. Yeah, man, you can. You see it? That no man. You can't join the life, man. No join the life. You see me I say? So look now. When Marky G time for talk, Lord Almighty God. PNP. PNP. How no make Marky G the lead, you know? How no make Marky G the lead, you know? That more I know. Tell me. How no make Marky G a lead, you know? You see me? So evil. Me ever wonder why y'all put a hype at PNP. Me not tell no lie. Good night, my friend. Thank you for joining the live. Me ever wonder why me how put a hype at PNP. Oh yeah, PNP. Cause me no love what they going over for your side. Cause I see people that when you support me, they say what can go so. Come on, man. So when me hear Marky G type all the mic now at Portland. Where think me Marky? Carly Andrew Carly. Carly Andrew Carly is going to call. Can you win it? Jamaica people not going back in the hands of the PNP. That's the worst time. That's the worst time Jamaica ever faced. Remember, young people, PNP is the only party where we win 4 straight election. 4. Everything me send you just comment yes or shower. Please join the live and share the live. PNP win 89. That I last election Michael Manley win. 93. PJ first election when he win general as Prime Minister. 97. His second 2002. And if you check from Mr. Patis got Jamaica 92. Only problem everyday politics talk. Yeah man, the night man. Oh, you mean, my friend, man? Big up yourself, my friend, man. You not call your name. Big up yourself. I hate that, brother. We have to defend with Jamaica, brother. We have to defend with Jamaica. Yeah, man, you feed me, man. But you know you have to talk about politics, cause... Listen to the song. Me say you want to go to Canada? And even America? Yes, Starless. The fastest way is to get the visa is get the farmer card. Yes, Starless. Got your passport, me party? Yes, Starless. Alright, go check the MP. Yes, Starless. Keep yourself out of trouble. Yes, Starless. And you will get through. Yes, Starless. With us. Gonna foreign, we say we gonna foreign, no catch him. Gonna foreign, we say we gonna foreign, no catch him. Gonna foreign, we say we gonna foreign. When no catch a brother, must show, thank God. You see me? Me da live here. Me da TikTok live. Okay? Me da TikTok live, so me soon call her back. Please? Yeah. So, it me a talk about. So, no PNP can come tell me say me love politics too much. Cause PNP sneaking. Then try to use them brain pan you. So they may tell us that if you not vote for them, you know, if you vote already and they not vote. But me say, how you don't go vote and wipe off ink off of them finger? So JLP young people have to smart. You see me I say? PLI me see PNP come and tell. Well, ask the other JLP bagger to ask their peeps to give you a follow. Yeah man, ain't going to get it man. I can't just say things stable. You see me I say? You have a time the people them just jump in on the live. You have a time then they pan other live. So you have to think too, you know. Yeah, man. Bigly, guess what a Bigly? You are me, you know. So if you want to kiss your teeth, you kiss your teeth, brother. And politics time or election time. You have some youth when I have no mother. You have some youth when I have no father. You have some youth when I have nobody of foreign. One farmer can change their life. You see me I say, join the life, please, and share it. One farmer can share their life. Live. One farmer card. So Bigly, you can kiss the teeth, you can say me love politics, but guess what, brother? There is some people every year them go pan farmer, them come and tell us a farmer work hard. Boy, me no love really. And when you check out, you just miss them, then gone back. Then gone back. They not motivate the youth them. And it me a talk, you know, join the live and share the live, please. So, the media house, go on in a South Chilani and see the amount of young youth we fly out on their hands of Mama D. Go on. So, how you think we could have touched plane? How you think we could have touched a plane? How you think we could have know how plane ride feel? Talk to me. Me a labor right man. Me I come from JLP Politics. And me turn up, me see, me hear, me look, me watch. And I observe the politics. You understand me? You have some people when getting 50 chicken in good. You have some people when getting Creator Heineken in good. You have some people when getting 5 grand in good. You understand me? Oh, when? Auntie Cooper beat woman. Where you going to beat? You see me I say? Bigly, if you don't know if you comment, man, no comment on this a Bigly, man. Cause look how them a fix up for your parish. You can't play ungrateful, brother. No matter what you say, brother. Auntie Cooper, you know beat you, man. Jamaica people nah switch from bro God, man. Remember say whole world, you know. They talk about Andrew Wellness, you know. Yes, the whole world they talk about Andrew Wellness. You must feel say, Mr. Mac did just come and say, Ital man see a car there. Gentleman, Mr. Mac asks me what me want. You see me I say? Anybody who want to live and no feed themselves, brother, no feed them trouble, brother. Look on the amount of people me have in England. None of them take me to come a foreign. Could I go to England? You see me I say? Barnett, remember man. Now some of your brother and sister them, I chick them a chick you man and go vote for Andrew. Because they see I best ever touch Jamaica. So join the live and share live, Cooper. Please. Auntie Chopper. Join the live and share live. Because one bro God. Yeah man. So when me a talk, brother, me a talk politics. And me a talk benefit. And me a talk for the future. You understand me? So when me hear daytime camera say Yeah, listen to daytime Canberra, Portland, you know. Yeah, daytime Canberra, you know. Oh, Portland wants somebody to represent them in a parliament. Cause only time me hear Miss Vaz. I remember Miss Vaz when they call his name in a parliament and he's a president. Pat Moore can't represent nobody in a parliament, man. Talk to me. Me I take in Pat Moore not if you can hold the mic and make a good speech. No, me I talk the truth. You see me I say? I tell you. Yeah, man, me not tap you from vote, but me can look. Me can force if you not vote for who you want to vote for, you know. You understand me? But if you remember, say, Siaga was a white man. And CMPNP them did say they don't want a white man lead them. You don't remember that? The way I say the young and your name Barnett. Not true. I don't know Siaga. You see me? Why go on after? Yeah, man, big up yourself, man. You get me? Yeah. And up till today, I do hear Marky G come up with a sensible plan for the youth them. No. But what I'm saying, me soon cut me live, you know. What I'm saying, oh Jamaica, listen now, you know. We say Angela and the whole world see it. Talk to me. That's what I'm saying. In Chilani, how many prime minister, I never see any prime minister at all, can up and reason with young youth or young people like Andrew Wellness? Be honest. PNP, to respect Andrew, you know. You know why? Because Uno say, a cartel styling take up away Clarks. Hey. We never see PJ Patterson in one Clarks. So when Andrew wearing green Clarks, so much PNP go buy orange Clarks? Be honest. Join the life no man, not share your life. Please. Make us reasonable a bit there. Please. You understand me? Join the life, man. So it may show you. If Andrew give you a house, then say a true election a come. Or a true election near. If Labour right fix one road, then say a true election near. You understand me? Me see one woman in Portland. Them a motorcade. Them a work on the road instead of dirty vast blocky road. And the road when can drive past now. So, the reason why they have to say that, because so many roads in a terrible condition in Portland over how much year, if I never the vast, then the road they would fix. Then the road they would fix. Come Labour right, man. When my Labour right friend them, man. You know join the life, no, man. I want to make so much people come over here to comment, man, and they deal with me. I want to join up your life, man, and share your life, man. Join the life and share your life, man. Let me say, I'm not see no chillani come on from the life yet, man. Type in the parish where you're from, man. Come, type in the parish, man, please. You understand me? Those are the things when I talk about. Remember, going to high school, I went to Alberton High. And listen me. You're in a class? Oh God, man. I want to listen carefully. You're in the class. Let me go for my green kerchief. Because you don't understand. The green kerchief, yeah. That's why I love me green. I love me green. God know. See, Andrea. You see what I say? So listen me now. When I go high school, my friend. How you mean big up South Chilani, yes? It's when I go high school, Alberton High. Oh God, man. When I go to school and do like a third day of September morning there. You don't go look. And you go see them come in there with one book. And you hear them start call name. Show a labor right. Join the live and share live. Then start call name. You see every name of them call. You know why name call? Then school fee not pay them have to go back home. They cannot come back to school until that school fee pay. And the lie me I tell. A politics me I talk about. My life is about politics, you know. Because politics time now, you know. Abs no one no lie me I tell. Sayas no one no lie me I tell. And me I tell you. And listen me brother. Some of my schoolmates, them and my classmates, them, they don't come back to school. They don't come back to school. Some of them don't come back to school from that, brother. Because what? Them parents cannot afford the school fee. And when me look, me go hear Damian Crawford, I go say, Pitney have to pay $1,500 from a Buckner, from Portland to a Buckner. Or, I don't know, I think a Buckner, they were in a sentence. So I close by in the talk. You understand me? Listen me, man. Why $1,500 for? Tell me now. To show you how liar and wicked is PNP. Why $1,500 for Mr. Crawford? If $1,500 for taxi fare alone, you lie, man. You lie. Yeah, you lie. You're a liar, sir. That is not right. So you just stop coming with no propaganda. You go to come and you go to talk, say the part money when them get. Listen me, man, what we used to get when we go to high school. What we used to get. You get me? So then time I think food stamp must be from 1 to food stamp. Remember say PNP cut out food stamp too, you know? Yeah. PNP cut out food stamp. Join the live and share the live now, please, man. Join the live and share the live, man. Me tell you, say, brother. And mama dia carry back to land, you know. And type in the road now. Type in the name of the road. Type in the road. I want to scheme me attack. Let me tell you something, man. With Miss Durhamper. Miss Durhamper is a visionized woman. Long-sighted, bro. The worst thing what happened to Jamaica in a South Chilani, brother, is 89 when time Jamaica switch on Edward Seago. and Brascoli and Key Crosser. Imagine if first Prime Minister, no, sorry, the first MP, because some people say Brascoli born in Manchester and comes to come live. But you know, we know him as a Chilani man. Auntie Cooper, big up yourself, Auntie Cooper. Just type in your road name. Let me tell Mama D. Just type in your road name. If a Scheme Road, you see me I say, if a Durham Road, just type in it. Just type in the name of your road, please. Stretch Runway. Stretch Runway. I tell you, Stretch Runway. House of Spring, that's so Iman born and growing a brother. And left him brother now. To cut down the rainforest tree them. Like kill bomba so Chilani with slab house. Part leg that kill we. So how no boy can tell me say me no know me attack say. Shower labor right. Shower labor right. How no go tell me say me no know me attack say. Eh? Which part of Stepney Road want fix? Me must say, Stepney Road, you know. Right a piggy the broke way. Right a piggy broke way. Right there's a broke way. I know Mama D go fix it. We no pass on a clinic there so. Right there's a broke way. Me know there's a go fix. Further up. You understand me? Cause Mama D come back now. You understand me? Watch what go on. You see me I say? Cause one of the members say from up from 10 year 10 year one of fix. In Auntie Cooper. 10 year no what no fix. Which one of the road? No fix 10 year. Be honest. Be honest. Which one of the road no fix 10 year? Right in near my road no? Remember say after they fix the road, that's what broke way no, slide way no. Right a piggy no. You see me I say? Look. Remember you know brother. Then time in the 80s, Brascoli a one room Brascoli used to give it. Wall house. You understand me? Wall house. PNP them we don't start give a board house. You see me I say 1 or 2 people get board house, brother. Listen me. Cause a fact me attack. You see me? Who should I road the attack? Right a piggy, I not 10 year that. I not 10 year that the road they broke way, brother. Remember say Stepney Road was a good road that Dorinchin can dig up Stepney Road and sand and I history of Chilani. And Dorinchin missing can source sand for our road. Those that kill Chilani people. Patrol that kill Chilani people. You know remember man? So who sure they has a 10 year no fix? Tell me. You understand me? Remember say you know. From upper line of parish. From upper line of parish. Come right to House of Spring. So let me tell you which part it trip out now. You see from Stetton. You see from right on a piggy shop right there so. Right a scheme there so. From there so go right the top right of Miss Junior shop there so. Write a master's shop. Or my brother or write a one shot shop there so. From there so go the whole of them place their land side. So if you know take care of drainage them also. Tap up your life and share your life, please. A place where I broke way. You see what me I say? Come on, labor right on the day of election, please. Please, labor right. Put the X beside the bell. I remember all road lead to JLP conference the 24th of November. Please, labor right. Put on no green. Don't afraid to stand up for Mama Dia and Joelness. No scared, man. You understand what me I say? Yeah, man. Defend the goodness of the Prime Minister and the MP, man. You see what me I say? Alright. You see when time at school, when you graduate, listen now. Enough with time, you know. PNP, may I tell you on a PNP, you know. It's when you go 8th grade, you see 1 or 2 pitney you know, come to school, girl pitney. You know, see 2 of them come to school. Share your life, please. Please share your life, please. Share your life, please. You understand me? When you go so, or graduate, 7th grade, when you catch 8th grade, you see 2, 3 pitney you know, come to school. Then pregnant. 9th grade, I same thing. 10th grade, I same thing. 11th grade, I same thing. After graduation, is baby. His baby. His mama D bring a different table to Southern Chilani for a young woman and young man. On the top of your life, so Chilani people come out. If I lie, me I tell you no type lie. Join the live and share the live. Mama D bring a new table. You understand me? 1 PNP for Jamaica. Oh my God, man. You're reversing. You're reverse, Chef Ian. So when they go so, a baby brother, stress out. I mean, I tell you, sometimes you get up here so they want the runway. Believe me, Mama D bring a different table. The Southern Chilani. And if you think I'd lie, me I tell, he made a house. Go Albertown from the earliest 4 o'clock a morning time. And see amount of young people so they go work. Because these people have their education, but they never have their money to further it. And Mama D come to Southern Chilani and see that. You understand me? And put the hard school them in South Chilani. And accept the young people them at South Chilani now make use of the art school. Show a labor right. Show a labor right. Tap up his scream and share it live. You understand me? First time you graduate from school, brother. You're brighter than the rich man pitney, you know. You're brighter than the rich man pitney, because poor people pitney have a the bright. And you know, yo, you see in a South Chilani, from look and they grow. A poor man pitney always be brightest pitney. Because what? A Camille porridge a man in time. You see me I say, a piece of pudding a man in time. Walk and come back for lunch a man. You understand what me I say? But the problem at that time with poor man pitney, they cannot afford it. Show a labor right. So when time the poor man pitney graduate from high school, he cannot push him or her further in school. So the rich man have his money and decide say him pitney have to become where he want him to become. So he have the money to send him to school, send him at school until him grab on. While the educated one now, him have to pay attention to the ground. Him have to go and mix concrete. And me I tell you, be, him have to go and truck go and work. You see me I say? Pan the market truck. You see me I say? I tell you. And these are the people. These are the people we buffer with their youth. Go out there for their youth. So when they look and they see Mama D come, when they see Mama D come with the art school, it sweet them. Because some of them pitney almost finish school, so then just end up go finish them course. Now boom, they have their job. In a history of student Chilani, you never see so much young people drive. Market. Student Chilani, market are we first foreign. Nobody can tell student Chilani nothing. Market are we first foreign. Yes. And me can tell you. Okay, man. Big up yourself, man. Me not against you, my friend, man. If you say PNP, me not fight you, man. Me just say talk fact. So if you're going to lose, you're going to leave. Have a good night. Thank you very much for joining my life. You see me I say, so you can share it too, man. Okay? Big up yourself, man. Yeah, man. You get me? So me just know say, yes, the live long, yes. But me have to do what me have to do. So right now, I go cut the live. So big up on yourself. Show a labor right. Me sing a one mama di inna the park. Boom. One mama di inna the park. Any else mama di dem a dopey bat. Any else mama di dem a dopey bat. Lord of God. Sing a one bro God inna the park. Boom. A one bro God inna the park. Any else bro God dem a dopey bat. Any else bro God dem a dopey. Wait the man. When Andrew hold the mic and get up on a chat. The people them jump up, them a rail up, them a rock. The people them a shout, Andrew don't stop. And this prime minister have to come back, third term, fourth term, not turn back. Shower, you labor right. Labor right. Shower labor right. Thank you very much for joining me live. Thank you very much for joining me live. You understand me? I really appreciate it. You understand me? And at the day of election, please, Jamaica, please put the X beside the bell. You see what I say? Vote for Andrew Holness. Southern Chilani, Portland. You see me I say Northern Chilani. You see me Westmoreland, Hanover, Montego Bay, St. Elizabeth, Manchester, Clarendon, St. Catherine, Kingston. You see me I say? Name them. Portland, St. Thomas, St. Mary, St. Anne's. Put the X beside the bell. Me love you know. And tomorrow we have a next thing. You understand me? Yeah, man. I will school them, man. The statue of labor right. Show a labor right. Show a labor right. And anything me say no say yes, Starless. Anything me say no say yes, Starless. Me say you want to go to Canada? New America. Yes, Starless. The fastest way is to get the visa is get the farm work card. Got your passport, me pari. Alright, go check the MP. Keep yourself out of trouble. And you will get through. Yes, Starless with us. Gonna foreign, we say we gonna foreign, we catch it. Gonna foreign, we say we gonna foreign, we catch it. Gonna foreign, we say we gonna foreign. We no catch a brother must show thank God. Second thing you do, you must remember down a yard. Remember the rough and the tough and the hard. Remember the puss and the fool and the dog. Remember the rent house, the dirty landlord. So when you make money, please don't squander. So you want to go to Canada? Yes, labor right. Live America? Yes, labor right. Love no labor right.